Hey guys, good morning. So it does look like Doggy broke that 17-cent barrier. Previous resistance. Where do we have previous resistance at? Was that low 22 cents? This was high lows of I don't even know where, but I mean it's hitting 3 month lows, and then for the year, I mean it broke June 20th lows of 17 cents, and I think it's gonna keep going lower, man. I mean, what is this? $16 low of 16 1621, right? And then back here was low of 13 cents. Yeah, I mean, I think we're still gonna go lower. I mean, it closed under that, so I think this is, like I said, I still think Doggy might be headed down to 7 cents. I mean, as soon as this got broken, the 17-cent mark on the close, like as soon as this got broken, like today or yesterday on the close, like I think it's written in the cards, man. I think all crypto is still, still getting ready to sell off. I know it's been selling off since May, but like I said, I still think that, specifically Doggy, I think it's still going back to around, 7 cents, 8 cents or so, and then from there the next drop would be 5 cents. I don't think it's gonna create anything in the middle right here, anything between 7 cents to 17 cents. I mean, it broke that support relatively easily. It really had no resistance at all. Bitcoin dropped to under 30K. Um, so I think as of now, we're definitely. I think Bitcoin is going to 26K. I think that's going to be the next resistance or next support. Sorry. And I think in that time frame, I think Doggy might actually have a pretty big sell off and trail down to maybe 7 8 cents, which is where the next support level is, and then from there, it might drop to like 5 cents. I don't think it's going lower than that, but you never know. You never know. Crypto's been selling off pretty heavy, and I think that we are just about to jump off a cliff or basically get pushed off a cliff sometime in the next week or so. I think that the sell off right now, it sucks, but I think it's gonna go deeper, man. To be honest.